Hello friends, in this 22nd class on mathematics tricks and fun, today we will learn how to find the square root by Vedic mathematics. I am Dr Prema sejekan. Armed with straight division and Urdhwa Tiryak sutra, we will solve the problems easily. This is just to remind us how to do squaring using Urdhwa Tiryak sutra. When two digits square of the first digit and then multiply the given two digits and double the product. When three digits, twice the product of the first and the last third digit added to the square of the middle digit. When four digits are there, twice the product of the first and last digit added to twice the product of the middle two digits. Now coming to the principles of finding the square root, first arrange into groups of 2. If there is one extra single digit, that will be counted as another group. The number of digits in the square root will be the same as the number of groups thus made. In the case of pure decimals, the number of digits in the square will be double than that in the square root. You should know the square of 9 natural numbers at least. Let us learn the square of some common digits. Square of 1 is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Additional 10 digit square also we will learn now. 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289, 18 square is 324, 19 square is 361, 20 square is 400. We should note 3 points here which will help us to solve the square root easily. Now digits which are complements from 10 share the same last digits. 1 square and 9 square last digit is 1. 2 square and 8 square last digit is 4. 3 square and 7 square last digit is 9. 4 square and 6 square last digit is 6. 5 square has 5 as last digit. Second point to note is digits 2, 3, 7 and 8 doesn't come as the last digit in all these squares. Now 1, 5, 6 and 0 has the same last digit. Square root of numbers with 3 to 4 digits. First number, square root of 121. Two groups are here, 1 and 21. First digit is 1, last digit is also 1. So it can be 1 square or 9 square. Now, if we take 1 square, 1, so twice the product of 1 and 1, we get 2. So the middle number is 2 and the square root of 121 is 11. Second question, square root of 144. Groups 1 and 44. First digit is 1, last digit here is 4, part of 2 square or 8 square. Now, twice the product of 1 and 2 is 4. So the answer to square root of 144 is 12. Third, square root of 169. Two groups 1 and 69. First digit is 1 and the last digit is 9. So, it is part of 3 square or 7 square. Twice the product of 1 and 3 is 6. So, square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 0.0064 is 0.808 and square root of 0.09 is 0.3. while square root of 0.9 means square root of 0.90 and the answer is 0.9. We will take two examples here. How to find the square root using straight division. First example, square root of 529. 3 digits are here. Two groups, 5 and 29. We will take first 5. We have to find the digit, the square of which will be near to 5. 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. The balance 1 will put in front of 2 to give 12. Now as the divisor is double the first quotient, 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 is the divisor here. Now 12 by 4 is 3. So the balance is 0. Now we have the second quotient 3. Now there is a 9 digit left behind. The square of 3 is 9. So the balance is 0. The answer is square root of 529 is 23. Next we have the square root of 119716. There are 6 digits. That means 3 groups, so the answer will have 3 digits. Now, first we will take 11. We will find a digit double of which will be near to 11. 3 into 3 is 9. So, 3 is the quotient. 11 minus 9 is 1, is 2, which we will place beside 9 to give 29. Now, double of 3 is 6. So, the divisor is 6. Divide 29 by 6. 6 into 4 is 24. So we will write 4 on the quotient side and 24 will place right below 29 to give a balance 5, which we will put in front of 7 to give 57. Now square of 4 is 16. We will write 16 below 57 and the balance is 41. Now we will have to divide 41 using 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So we will write 36 below 41 and the balance we will write in front of 1 to give 51. We will have to cross multiply 4 and 6. That means 4 into 6 is 24 and double of that is 48. We will deduct 48 from 51. The balance 3 we will place in front of 6 to give 36. Now the square of 6 is 36. We will subtract 36 from the above number 36 to give balance 0. There is no remainder and this is a complete square. The square root of 119716 is 346. We have to find the square root of 6-digit number 552049. The square root should have 3 digits. Now first we will take 55. We have to find the digit, the square of which will be near to 55. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. We will write 7 on the quotient side and 49 below 55. Balance 6 will put in front of 2 to give 62. Next, double of 7 is 14. We'll take 14 as the divisor. Now 62 should be divided by 14. 4 into 14 is 56. We'll subtract 56 from 62. We get a balance 6, which we'll place in front of 0 to give 60. Now the square of 4 is 16. We'll subtract 16 from 60 to give balance 44. 44 is divided by 14 to give quotient 3. 14 into 3 is 42 with a balance of 2, which we'll put in front of 4 to give 24. Now twice the product of 4 and 3 will be 24. We'll subtract 24. Balance comes as 0. Next remaining digit is 9. Now square of 3 is 9, so there is no balance. This is a perfect square. The square root of 552049 is 743. In the coming classes, we will learn more examples on square root. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon.